From $0 to $10,000 per month with the mini course funnel, step by step. Let me ask you something. What if you didn't need a huge audience, expensive ads, or a massive course to start earning $10,000 per month online? What if you could start with just a mini course? Something small, simple, and valuable enough that people are glad to pay for it. Sounds too easy? Maybe, but it's real. I've seen it happen again and again. In fact, one of my clients built a simple funnel around a mini course priced under $10. That's $10. And it turned into a $10,000 per month system. No paid ads, no fancy team, just strategy, clarity, and action. And in this video, I'm going to break down how that works step by step so you can build one too. Now, if we haven't met yet, my name is Ola. I was just finishing up college at NGIT back in 2004 when a good friend invited me to a first-time homebuyer seminar. That one event took me down a rabbit hole into real estate investing. A few years later, I had generated over $3 million in revenue, and then the 2008 recession hit. Boom, everything crashed. That experience forced me to start from scratch, and that's when I discovered digital marketing. Let me tell you, through every up and down since, those digital marketing skills have paid me over and over again. I even wrote a book about it. It's called Digital Marketing Certified, and you can download a free copy right now at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com. Or just click the link around this video, but stay with me here because I want to walk you through the 3 key lessons behind the $10,000 per month mini course funnel strategy. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, give people a new path to solve an old problem. Here's something most people don't realize. When someone searches for a solution online, whether it's how to get more clients, eat healthier, or manage their time better, they're not just looking for another tip. They're looking for something different, a better way, a shortcut, a fresh angle. That's where your mini course comes in. The key is to offer a small solution to one specific problem, but package it in a way that feels like a new opportunity. Not just how to do X, but how to do X without the struggle, overwhelm, or burnout. For example, instead of teaching how to get more leads, you might offer a mini course like get 5 leads in 5 days without cold calling or ads. That's not just advice. That's a promise with a twist. It feels new. It feels doable. And that's why people click buy. This is powerful because people are naturally drawn to what feels fresh. Research shows we're more likely to take action when we feel like we're stepping into something new, not repeating the same old grind. And the best part, you don't need to create something long, just focused. A mini course isn't a full program. It's a short, helpful experience that helps people get a result fast. That's what makes it work. Tip number 2, you don't need a big audience. This is one of the biggest myths out there. I can't make money online until I have a huge following. Wrong. The truth is, you don't need thousands of followers. You don't even need hundreds. You just need a small group of the right people and the right offer. This mini course funnel strategy works best for people who are just starting out or rebuilding. Why? Because it's simple. There's no complicated tech. You're not asking people to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars. You're giving them something they can say yes to quickly. And when they do, it creates momentum. One sale becomes 2, then 5. Then you realize people actually want what you're offering. That's where confidence starts. And more importantly, data. You learn what your audience actually cares about. You find out what they're willing to pay for. You stop guessing and start growing. One of the biggest reasons people give up is because they feel invisible. This funnel makes you visible. It gives people a reason to connect with you, to trust you, and to take that first step towards working with you. So don't wait for your follower count to hit some magic number. Just start. Tip number 3, people will pay for small wins. Another thing that holds people back is this idea that a mini course isn't valuable enough. That's because it's short or low priced. It won't work. Not true. People aren't paying for a number of videos. They're paying for a result. If you can help someone fix a specific problem fast, they will pay for it, even if it's just a few lessons. In fact, they might prefer that because no one has time to watch 50 hours of training. They want something they can use now. Think about it like this. If you had a toothache and someone offered you a 10-hour documentary on dental health or a 10-minute trick to stop the pain, you'd choose the second one every time, right? Yes or yes? Your audience is the same way. They don't want more content. They want clarity. They want direction. They want a small, fast win. That's why mini courses work. They're low risk for the buyer, high impact for the seller. They turn browsers into buyers and buyers into loyal customers. Once someone buys from you, even a small purchase, they're much more likely to buy from you again. That's how you go from $9 to $90, then $900 and beyond. And the best part, this kind of funnel sets your business up to grow long term. It becomes the doorway to your world. From there, you can invite people into coaching, programs, services, bigger products, bigger high-ticket products, whatever comes next. So let's bring this home. You don't need a big budget. You don't need a big course. You don't need a big following. You just need a small, clear offer that helps people get a quick win. That's the heart of the mini course funnel. If you're ready to finally take control of your digital presence, stop guessing and start building something that actually brings in consistent income, I want to help. Okay, so just go ahead and download your free copy of my book, Digital Marketing Certified, right now at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com, or by clicking the link in the description, the caption or bio, or the fancy button around wherever you're watching this video. Inside the book, I walk you through how to build systems like this that help you grow online. Whether you're a coach, a content creator, a real estate professional, agent, wholesaler, a digital age entrepreneur, just strategy and clarity. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one problem you could help someone solve with a mini course? Drop it below. I read every comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. More simple, powerful strategies are coming your way. Next up, I'm going to show you how I turned my $9 offer into $150,000 without ads. You don't want to miss this one. I'll be right back with how I turned my $9 offer into $150,000 without ads.